Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the another chemical properties of the halogen elements. Chemistry second year English medium, part 4. That is the third one is the reaction with the metal. Halogen elements react with the metal. For example, magnesium metal. As our 7th year group elements or halogen elements react or combining with the metal to form of a metal halides. Metal halides. Here is the M also known as a metal. Next one combining with the halogen to form of a metal halides. MX2 type of halides. So here is the M also known as a metal, X also known as a halogen elements. All 7th year group elements are halogen elements combining or treated with the halogen elements to form of a metal halides. For example, magnesium is the metal. Magnesium metal combining with the halogen elements of bromide. That is also known as a magnesium combining or treated with the bromine atom to form of a magnesium bromide. Magnesium bromide. That is also known as a metal halide of the magnesium metal. That is also known as a magnesium metal halide. Magnesium also known as a metal. Next one is the bromine also known as a halogen elements. So here is the metals combining or treated with the halogen elements to form of a metal halides. For example, magnesium combining with the bromine to form of a magnesium bromide, MgBr2. It is also known as a magnesium is the cation and bromine also known as a anion. That is the magnesium bromide. That is also known as a metal bromide. Next one, reaction with the halogen elements. Reaction with halogen elements or interhalogens. Interhalogens. Here is the halogen elements react with the another halogen elements. All halogen elements combining with the themselves of the another halogen elements to form of a type of interhalogens, like that XX-1, XX-3, XX-5 and XX-7. That is also called as a interhalogens. Interhalogens means that one halogen elements combining or treated with the another halogen elements to form of a interhalogens. For example, here is the XX-1, XX-3 and XX-5 and XX-7. It is also known as a interhalogens. Here is the where X is also known as a large size of halogen elements. X is the large size of the halogen elements. Here is the X. First X is the large atomic size and X dash is the small atomic size. First one X is also known as a halogen element, large atomic size, and second one X dash also known as a small atomic size. For example, ClF. Here is the interhalogen. Chlorine also known as a large atomic size, fluorine also known as a small atomic size. That is also known as it is a type of XX-1. And the second one is the XX-3, ClF3. Cl is the large atomic size, F3 also known as a small atomic size. It is a type of XX-3. First one is the halogen element and second one is the halogen element. So to form of a XX-3 type of interhalogen. For example, ClF3. And XX-5, that is the example of ClF5. That is also known as the interhalogen of ClF5. Here is the Cl is the large atomic size and fluorine also known as a small atomic size. It is also type of XX-5. Next one, XX-7. That is also known as a IF7. That is also known as XX-7. It is also called as a interhalogen elements. All halogen elements exhibit the color properties. That is also known as a fluorine exhibits the yellow color and chlorine exhibit the greenish yellow, and bromine exhibit the red color and next iodine exhibit the violet color. That is also known as a color properties of the halogen elements. All halogen elements exhibit the color properties or combining with the UV radiations and absorbing with the UV radiation, then exhibit the color properties. For example, here is the fluorine. Fluorine exhibit yellow color. Next one, chlorine exhibit the greenish yellow color. Next one is the bromine is the red. Next one, iodine is the violet. That is the color properties of the 7th A group elements or halogen elements. Next, another one, preparation of the chlorine. Preparation of chlorine. Here chlorine is prepared by the Scheele. Here is the first one. Chlorine was discovered in 1774 by the Scheele. Remaining Davies. Later Davy established in chlorine nature, that is exhibit the color nature, that is also known as a greenish yellow. That is also known as a chlorine exhibit the greenish yellow color. That is the first one, preparation of the chlorine. Here is the very important preparation of the chlorine in 4 marks question or 8 marks question. That is the first one, preparation of the chlorine. Here is the Scheele is prepared by the action of HCl with the manganese dioxide, or combining with the HCl with the manganese dioxide. That is the first preparation. By the heating of manganese dioxide, that is the formula of MnO2. By the heating of the manganese dioxide with the concentration hydrochloric acid. Concentration of hydrochloric acid, then form of the chlorine. That is also known as a Cl2. Next one, MnCl2. Next one, 2H2O. Here is the 1 mole of manganese dioxide are treated with the or heating with the concentration hydrochloric acid, then form of manganese chloride. Next one is the chlorine. Next one is the 2 moles of water. That is the first preparation. Scheele was prepared by the action by the heating of the manganese dioxide with the concentration hydrochloric acid. That is the first preparation. By the heating of the manganese dioxide with the concentration hydrochloric acid, then form of the chlorine. Remaining, however, the mixture of common salt, that is also known as a salt. Sodium chloride also known as a common salt, and concentration sulfuric acid is used in the place of hydrochloric acid. Here is the instead of used by the hydrochloric acid. Next, instead of the hydrochloric acid, that is the concentration H2SO4 and common salt. Here is the manganese dioxide combining or heating with the common salt and hydrochloric acid. That is the NaCl. Next one is the H2SO4. Here is the, however, the mixture of the common salt like that sodium chloride and concentration H2SO4, that is the used place of the hydrochloric acid. The first preparation, manganese dioxide heating with the concentration hydrochloric acid. But here is the instead of the hydrochloric acid, it is used common salt, that is the mixture of sodium chloride. Next one is the sulfuric acid. Those two mixtures are heating by the manganese dioxide, that is the instead of the hydrochloric acid, then form of the chlorine. That is also known as a preparation of the chlorine. That is the first preparation. And the second one is the by the action of the hydrochloric acid with the potassium permanganate, then form of the chlorine atom. Here is the second preparation, the KMnO4, that is also known as a potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate heating with the or combining with the hydrochloric acid, then form of the chlorine atom. Here is the first one, 2 moles of the KMnO4, that is also known as a potassium permanganate. 2 moles of potassium permanganate heating with the 16 moles of the hydrochloric acid, then form of 2 moles of potassium chloride, 2 moles of manganese chloride, 8 moles of H2O, then 5 moles of the chlorine atom. That is the preparation of the chlorine. Next, second one is the Deacon process. Very important 2 marks question. How is the preparation of the chlorine with the Deacon process? That is the second question. So 2 marks question. How is the preparation of chlorine by the Deacon process? How is the preparation of the chlorine with the laboratory method? Here is the laboratory method, and the second one is the Deacon process. In Deacon process, chlorine is prepared by the oxidation of the hydrochloric acid by the atmospheric oxygen in the presence of the cuprous chloride catalyst at 723 kelvins. Then form of the chlorine. It is also called as a Deacon process. Here is the Deacon's name, that is also known as a scientist name. Here is the Deacon's process by the preparation of the chlorine by the Deacon method. Here is the Deacon method is the second process of the chlorine to preparation of the chlorine atom. Here is the by the heating of the hydrochloric acid or oxidizing with the hydrochloric acid by the atmospheric oxygen in the presence of the cuprous chloride catalyst at 723 Kelvin, then form of the chlorine. That is also known as a Deacon process. Or by the oxidation of the hydrochloric acid, that is also known as a HCl. By the atmospheric oxygen, atmosphere exists the oxygen. So oxygen in the presence of the cuprous chloride, that is also known as a catalyst. Rate of reaction is increases. So that is also known as a cuprous chloride. Then here is the form of chlorine. That is also known as a Deacon process. That is the preparation of the Deacon's process. Next, third one. The third method is the electrolysis process. In electrolysis process, chlorine is obtained by the electrolysis of the brine solution or brine concentrated sodium chloride solution. Then chlorine is liberated at anode. That is also known as a electrolysis process. The first preparation is the laboratory method, and the second one is the Deacon process. Next, third one is the electrolysis process. That is the preparation of the chlorine with the three method. That is the first one, laboratory method, and the second one is the Deacon process, and the third one, electrolysis process. That is also known as a preparation of the chlorine in different methods. Third one is the electrolysis process. It is prepared by the chlorine atom or chlorine. Chlorine is prepared by the electrolysis process. That is the third method. Here is the chlorine is obtained by the electrolysis of the brine solution. That is also known as a sodium chloride solution, also known as a brine solution. Then chlorine is liberated at anode. That is also known as a electrolysis process. For example, NaCl brine solution is electrolysis, or chlorine is obtained by the electrolysis of the brine solution, then form of two ions, 2Na plus ion plus 2Cl minus ion. Then 2Cl minus ion gives rise to Cl2 plus 2 electrons minus. Then that is also known as at anode. Here is the chlorine is obtained by the electrolysis of the brine solution. Sodium chloride is also known as a brine solution. Then chlorine is liberated at anode. That is also known as a 2Cl minus gives us to Cl2. Chlorine is liberated at anode. That is also known as a electrolysis process. Next one, properties of the chlorine. It is a greenish yellow gas with pungent odor or suffocating odor. Here is the first property. Chlorine is a greenish yellow gas. Greenish yellowish gas with pungent odor or suffocating odor. For example, chloride also known as a anion. Any salts taken in the dry test tube and adding with the concentration H2SO4, then suffocating odor or greenish yellow fumes are evolved in the test tube. Then chlorine is formed. That is also known as a anion of chlorine. Yellow gas with the pungent and suffocating odor. That is also known as a chloride. Next one, it is about 2 to 5 times of heavier than air. Here is the chlorine is about 2 to 5 times heavier than air. Remaining, it is soluble in water. It is easily soluble in water. Next, another one, it combining or react with the metal and non-metal. For example, aluminum metal, aluminum combining with the chlorine to form of a aluminum chloride, AlCl3. Next one, phosphorus is the non-metal. Here is the non-metal combining or treated with the chlorine to form of a PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. Next one, sodium metal, metal combining with the chlorine atom to form of a sodium chloride. Next one, iron metal, that is combining with the chlorine atom to form of a FeCl3, iron trichloride. Sulfur 8, it is also known as a non-metal. Sulfur is the non-metal. Here is the Si8, combining with the chlorine atom to form of a sulfuryl chloride, H2Cl2. That is also known as a chlorine react or combining with the metals and non-metal. That is the reactions of the metals and non-metals of the phosphorus, sulfur 8. Next one is the metals, aluminum, sodium. Next one is the iron. Chlorine is the more affinity with the hydrogen atom to form of a hydrochloric acid. Here is the chlorine. Chlorine is more affinity. Here is the chlorine is more affinity with the hydrogen atom to form of a HCl, hydrochloric acid. Here is the chlorine is more affinity with the hydrogen atom to form of a hydrochloric acid. That is the properties of the hydrogen atom. Next one, here is it is bleaching of the carbohydrates. Chlorine is the bleaching of the carbohydrate, for example sucrose and maltose. That is also known as a bleaching of the disaccharides and trisaccharides of the chlorine atom. That is the properties of the chlorine atom.